In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo in the Google Gemini app. So it's real easy to do, but the first thing we should do is make sure that we have camera access through that Gemini app. So first, let's do this real quick and go to our settings, and you want to scroll down to your apps. From here, just go ahead and type in Gemini. And what we want to do is make sure that our photos have full access. Now, you can go through your limited access and all that stuff. It's just easier to have full access to those photos. So once that's done, let's go and back out of here. And let's go find our Google Gemini app. So from here, I just have a free version of this. You do not need the paid version. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit the plus button at the far left-hand side. And I'm going to choose Photos. And then I'll just choose a photo here. Let's just choose this one here and go ahead and hit the check mark at the top right-hand corner. And now that photo is ready to be uploaded. So we can go ahead and just hit upload on the far right side here. And that's it. It's really simple and really easy to just go ahead and upload photos. It's going to give you some information if you don't give it a prompt to do something with the photo. But that's it. You can go ahead back to that plus sign and just keep uploading your own photos. But that's it. That's how you would go about uploading photos to the Google Gemini